Today, we're going to tackle a frustrating issue. If your iPhone vibration isn't working when it's on silent mode, this can be really inconvenient. But don't worry, we've got some simple solutions for you. So let's dive right in. First, let's check your vibration settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down to Sound and Haptics. Here you can adjust various sound settings. Make sure that Vibrate on Silent is turned on. Now, let's check if the physical ring silent switch on the side of your iPhone is on. Make sure it's set to silent. Sometimes a simple adjustment can solve the problem. If the vibration is still not working, let's restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button until you see slide to power off. After a few seconds, turn it back on. This can help refresh the system. After restarting, you should send yourself a text message or have someone call you while your iPhone is on silent mode. Check if the vibration works now. If none of the steps work, you may consider a factory reset. Remember to back up your data first. Go to Settings and on General, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Erase all content and settings. And that's how to fix the vibration not working on your iPhone in silent mode. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.